Mastering SEO Trends, your ultimate guide to dominating search rankings. Welcome back, my fellow digital enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to unravel the secrets of search engine optimization and learn about some effective strategies to skyrocket your website's visibility and outrank the competition. So grab your notepads and let's dive deep into the world of mastering SEO trends. Step 1: Understanding SEO. Search engine optimization involves a set of practices aimed at website optimization and content to enhance visibility in search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. In this shot, I'll introduce the concept of SEO and its importance for businesses and individuals looking to stand out in today's digital landscape. Step 2: Keyword research. Effective keyword research is the cornerstone of any successful SEO strategy. In this shot, I'll share some tips and tools to conduct in-depth keyword research, which can help identify relevant and high-traffic keywords and phrases for your website. Step 3: On-page and off-page factors play a vital role in website optimization. In this shot, I'll explain the difference between the two and provide some insights into how to optimize them effectively to maximize your website's visibility and ranking. Step 4: Technical SEO involves optimizing the backend of a website to ensure that it's search engine friendly. In this shot, I'll share some tips and best practices to optimize technical factors, such as website structure, site speed, and mobile friendliness, which can contribute to your website's ranking and visibility. Step 5: Local SEO is critical for businesses targeting specific geographical locations. In this shot, I'll explain how to optimize your website for local search and share some tips and tricks to rank higher in local search results. Thanks for watching and subscribe, like, comment and share.